Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 14, 2024 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 14, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Sunday, January 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 14, 2024 Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 589 million pesos for Sunday, January 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of January 14, 2024 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.